How Manifestation Works by Laudiaann. Understanding Manifestation. Chapter 1. Understanding Manifestation. Manifestation is the process of bringing your desires to reality. It involves using your thoughts, emotions, and actions to create a specific outcome in your life. The law of attraction is an important component of manifestation because it states that the energy you put out into the universe is what you attract back. However, there are many misconceptions about manifestation that can make it seem impossible. For example, some people believe that manifestation is only for special or lucky people, or that it requires a magical or mystical belief system. However, manifestation can be practiced by anyone, regardless of their background or beliefs. To practice manifestation effectively, it's important to understand the science behind it. Essentially, everything in the universe is made up of energy, including your thoughts and emotions. When you focus on a particular outcome, you send out a vibration that attracts similar vibrations back to you. This is why having a positive, optimistic mindset is so important for manifestation. It attracts positive energy back to you. Setting your intentions. Chapter 2. Setting your intentions. Setting intentions is a key component of effective manifestation. This involves identifying what you want to manifest and being clear and specific about your desires. The more specific you are, the easier it will be to manifest your desires. However, setting intentions is not just about what you want. It's also about identifying any limiting beliefs or negative thought patterns that may be blocking your manifestation. For example, if you want to manifest a new job but you believe that you're not qualified or that there aren't any good jobs available, these limiting beliefs can sabotage your manifestation efforts. To overcome these limiting beliefs, it's important to cultivate a positive, optimistic mindset. This may involve practicing gratitude, journaling, or using other techniques to shift your perspective and focus on what you do have instead of what you lack. Visualization is also a powerful technique for setting intentions. Visualize yourself already having achieved your desired outcome, using all of your senses to make the visualization as vivid as possible. Taking action towards your goals. Chapter 3. Taking action towards your goals while setting intentions is an important part of manifestation. It's not enough to just think positive thoughts and wait for things to happen. Action is also necessary for manifestation, and this is where the law of attraction comes into play. The law of attraction states that the universe will respond to your thoughts and emotions with corresponding experiences. This means that taking action towards your goals is a key part of attracting the outcomes you desire. This may involve creating a plan of action, setting achievable milestones, and taking small steps towards your desired outcome on a consistent basis. However, taking action can also be challenging. Resistance and obstacles can arise, and it's easy to get discouraged and give up. To overcome these challenges, it's important to stay motivated and focused on your goals. This may involve seeking support from friends, family, or a coach, as well as using visualization and other manifestation techniques to maintain your momentum. Manifesting abundance and success. Chapter 4. Manifesting abundance and success. Abundance and success are two common desires that many people seek to manifest. However, these outcomes can seem elusive, especially if you're focused on lack and limitation instead of abundance. To attract abundance and success, it's important to cultivate a mindset of gratitude and positivity. This involves focusing on what you do have instead of what you lack, and being grateful for the blessings in your life. Gratitude is a powerful tool for shifting your perspective and attracting positive experiences back to you. It's also important to be specific about what you want to manifest. This may involve creating a vision board, writing down your goals, or visualizing your desired outcome in detail. By staying focused on your goals and taking consistent action towards them, you can manifest the abundance and success you desire. Maintaining your manifestation. Chapter 5. Maintaining your manifestation practice. Maintaining a consistent manifestation practice can be challenging, especially when obstacles arise or it seems like nothing is happening. However, it's important to stay committed to your goals and your manifestation practice in order to achieve the outcomes you desire. One key to maintaining your manifestation practice is to celebrate wins along the way. Even small victories can be cause for celebration, and acknowledging your progress can help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. It's also important to stay motivated through setbacks and challenges. This may involve seeking support from friends or a coach, or using manifestation techniques like visualization and gratitude to stay positive and focused on your goals. Finally, Integrating manifestation into your daily life can help you maintain your practice over the long term. This may involve incorporating daily affirmations or visualization exercises into your routine, or simply being mindful of your thoughts and emotions on a regular basis. By making manifestation a part of your daily life, you can achieve ongoing success and abundance.